What's up, everybody? Esther back. Today I got a keto cookie recipe for you. I made some chocolate chip keto cookies the other day, and they're really good. Biggest thing when I'm on the keto diet is I crave sweets, I crave carbs, and this is one of the things that I've found that helps me fight those cravings. The biggest difference between the keto cookies and regular cookies is the flour that you use. In this case, it's almond flour, and the sweeteners you use. And I use xylitol. And you start out, you mix the xylitol and the melted butter. Then you add an egg and add the vanilla extract. Then you mix those till everything is well incorporated. And then you add the dry ingredients, the almond flour, baking soda, and a little bit of xanthan gum. The xanthan gum is really helpful when it comes to the flattening of the cookie and the cookie flattening out. Otherwise, the cookie will kind of be like a ball instead, and it's not really a cookie shape. It's more like a cookie ball. So then you mix everything together until it's all incorporated. The batter will be a little bit wetter, I think, than a regular cookie batter. Not much wetter, but a little bit wetter. And then after you get everything well incorporated, you add some sugar-free chocolate chips. I used some Hershey ones. And you mix those until it's, the chocolate chips are well distributed. And then you put them on a cooking sheet and you cook them for 355 for like 10 to 12 minutes. Depends on like how brown you want them in your oven. Mine came out pretty good color. They're really chewy and they're a really good cookie. Give it a try. Let me know what you think in the comments below. And until the next time, peace.